from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. Listen, if this is your first time here, like, subscribe, share, and do all that good old stuff. Listen, today we're doing burgers, Hawaiian burgers. You saw, that was the starting lineup. Brown sugar, Hawaiian marinade, steak, salt, pepper. Returning to, listen, this is what we're going to do. We're going to season up our patties first, okay? We're going to season them up, and then we're going to marinate them, and then we're going to throw them in the refrigerator, okay? So right here, brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Listen, salt is only here as a flavor enhancer, okay? That's all they're here for, as a flavor enhancer, okay? That's it. I'm going to push some of that seasoning in there. We want to get in there real good. You guys are wondering, hey, why do you still have those little separators on there? Because it works. I promise you, it does. It works. For some odd reason, it works. It works best, and you'll see it a little bit later in the video why it works best, okay? I mean, you'll see. That's all I can say. All right, got those 4 in there. All right, we're going to put those, look at that, they're the Hawaiian Marinade. We're going to, wait a minute, let me just go ahead and do these 2 burgers right here. Yeah, let's do that. All right, now, get the pot of marinade in there. You guys, it wasn't enough, but I do have another bottle. I'm saying, so we're going to do that. We're going to let that sit there. We're going to put that in the refrigerator. Boom, got the bacon, and then I got the Hawaiian buns, okay? Like I told you, we're Hawaiian this thing up, okay? Mahalo, bacon. What is a burger without bacon? Nothing, okay? It's just a ground beef patty. We don't want that. We want the bacon, all right? Now, it's that bacon over there. The bacon was already cooking. We're going to cook these burgers in that bacon fat because we want that bacon flavor to go in there too. Boom, wire. There we go. See? Boom. Flip it over. Seasoning. You see it in there. You see the flavors in there. All right. That's some French fries because what's a burger without French fries? Who knows? Oh, look at that. Oh, my. It's getting steamy in there, okay, ladies and gentlemen. 400. I put it on like 18 minutes, but, you know, I'm just letting you guys see golden, crispy, brown. Those things are going to be crunchy. Don't worry about it. Keep it going. It's there. All right. Let's get back over to these burgers. These burgers shrunk, okay? Not going to lie to you guys. The burger shrunk. Not the greatest quality, but a burger, I got what I got. And this is what we're going to do. This is for a family of 4, and this is how we're doing it. Uh-oh. Those fries are ready. Look at them. Crispy, golden, brown. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look. Yep, gonna pick that up. I'm gonna eat that. Who doesn't eat a hot fry fresh from either the grease, potato slayer? Listen, Betty blend, gotta have it. It makes the fries just that much better. Not an ad, but add it to your fries, life changer. Okay, these are sweet potato fries. Somebody in the house wanted sweet potato fries, so we made sweet potato fries. Good look, but not so much the crispy golden brown. And you know what I'm saying? Hey, we're here. Oh, look at that. So, I mean, but that's what they wanted. So that's what they got. But those are the crispy cuts. All right. Let's move this thing along. All right. Here goes the finished product. Everybody got to dress up that burger the way they wanted to. Okay. Look at that Gouda cheese, monster cheese, pickle, and bacon on it. And then that's I can't remember what kind of sauce that is. This, their version of a Baconator. Okay. All that bacon and the little fries. Okay. Little Hawaiian bun. Boom. All right. This big baby right here. Bacon, egg, aioli sauce, monster cheese, bacon on the bottom. And then what's those? Ground beef and what's that? Cheese and fries. All, oh my God. And then this one's just a regular old burger, right? The standard burger. Listen, that's it for me. Thanks for rocking with Nerdy and Umbrella. If you're still here, you're officially in the Hall of Fame real month. Stay random, stay weird. And remember, the umbrella is big enough for all of us.